Okay, did the lifters fix them? Did the snake oil fix the minivan? No. It turns out the only thing that actually fixes lifters is lifters. I mean, the only way snake oil is going to fix is if you have something like Seafoam. And see that little hole in there? There's even a little tiny one. Here's one of the new ones. I don't know if you can see it on the side here. The oil goes through. If that's gummed up, and you put something in there, like Seafoam, and it cleans it out, they're not too far gone, then yes. Does rule of thumb? No. Snake oil doesn't fix your minivan. Peace. Thanks for watching.